Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Yamaha MT09. This ABS equipped naked sport bike just arrived with only 4,400 miles. Super cool, blacked out finish, triple cylinder, 950 cc's. This thing is torquey and smooth and fast. It's got the little mini fairing, handlebar risers, adjustable levers, fender eliminator. It's got the grip tape on the tank. This thing is in beautiful shape. Brand new front tire. Come on by and make your street fighter dreams come true with this badass MT09. Just $84.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.